how to redeem and use One4all gift card online. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So go to your preferred browser, search for One4all gift card. Then you can buy gift cards from this section, and you can also send gift cards from this second section. But in order to redeem your gift card, here are all the partners from where you can buy things and redeem your One4all gift card online. So let me just show you by doing it for a Pandora. Then here I do not have any of the gift card, so if I want a gift card, I should buy it from here like this, or just simply add to cart. But if you already have the gift card, simply visit the store and then choose anything you want. Then you can simply add them to cart. And while paying, you can select the option to use One4all good gift card. And yeah, done. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.